Your Galaxy S26 can now screen incoming calls from unknown numbers, so you don't have to interact with them when you don't know for sure if the calls are legit or not. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. You'll learn how to enable call screening on your Galaxy S26, and you'll see how it works when the real call from an unknown number comes in. Let's get started. First, you have to enable call screening, and here's how it's done. Open Settings and tap Galaxy AI. Tap Call Assist, then select Call Screening. In the next screen, you can find the toggle switch at the top. It's disabled by default, so you have to enable it if you want to use it. Once enabled, a few options will also be enabled, like Auto Screen Calls. When you tap on it, you have a couple of options. If you tap the first one, it will bring you to another menu, and you also have to enable it. In this tutorial, though, let's focus on screening unknown callers. You may read the information below to learn more about this feature. Another way to access this menu is through the phone app itself. Just open it, then tap the menu icon. Tap Settings and select Call Screening. You can see the same screen as when you access it through the Settings menu. Now that you know how to enable it, here's how it actually works when in call. The moment the call is connected, your phone will automatically screen it if it's from an unknown caller. You can tap the green bar at the top, and you'll see in real time the interaction between the AI in your phone and the caller. If the call is legit, you could tap the answer button below the screen, otherwise choose the X icon to drop it. And that's how you enable call screening on your Galaxy S26. I hope that this simple guide can help you. You may subscribe to my channel or watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching.